Hello and welcome to the tutorial for writing the code in HTML and CSS for creating colored buttons. These are the submit buttons that we normally see on a user form. How to apply color and stylize these buttons that we will see using CSS. So the steps include first to write the HTML file, create the HTML file, add a link tag in the head section to add the CSS style sheet. In the body section, create the buttons. Add class to buttons. This class will be used in CSS as a reference so as to where the style has to be applied. In CSS, create style for different classes applied in HTML to various elements. So let's begin. Here we are at Visual Studio Code. Click on New File. The file is created as Untitled1 by default. Go to the File menu, Save As, create a new folder. You can name the folder whatever you wish it to be. Add the file name for the HTML file. Write the exclamation mark and press Enter. Add the title to the document, and within the head section, that is before closing the head tag, add the link tag. Link. You can see that the closing head tag is red because there is something incomplete or incorrect within the head section. That is the link tag that we are writing. Rel is equal to style sheet. href is equal to name of the CSS file that you have already created or you will be creating. mystyle.css. Close the tag. Notice as you close the link tag, the head tag turns blue. That is, there is no error anymore within the head section. Moving on, in the body section, now we will add the content. H1, hello world. Button, class equal to button and red B. So these are two separate classes that are being applied to the same button. One is a class button, other is a class red B. Red. We can copy and paste. Next, we have a blue button. So the button class is common to all the buttons, but the color class will change for blue button, green button, and yellow button. These are the 4 buttons that we have with 4 different classes for each color of the button and 1 class button that is common to all the buttons. Save, Ctrl S. Now I will create the CSS file. File new, file save as, mystyle.css. Saved, and we will begin writing the CSS code. Now there were 2 classes that we defined. One was a button class and the other was, there are actually 5 classes that we defined. One was the button class, common to all the buttons, and 4 different color classes for 4 different colored buttons. The first is button class. Now you can add the style. I am vaguely adding the style to a button. Border, colon, value, none. Padding, colon, 15 pixels and 25 pixels. Semicolon. Text align, colon, center. Display, colon, flex. What are all these? You do not really need to bother about each and every attribute and its value because that is a lengthy subject to study. So you can understand that this is about the stylizing of the button. Flex, direction, row, flex, flow, row, font size 16 pixels, margin bottom 5 pixels, and that's it. So that's about the button that is common to all the buttons. Then we have the specific color to be added, dot red blue. That was the class for the red button. Background color red, and similarly we can copy and paste for all the four and make the changes. Red, blue, green, and yellow. Ctrl S to save. Here is the folder in which we have created the two files, Home and My Style. Notice that the HTML and CSS file needs to be in the same folder. Without getting into details why, because that again is beyond the scope of learning for this session, open Homepage, and here it is. The four buttons are here, red, blue, green, and yellow. Right now, if you click on any of these, nothing will happen because there is no action that has been specified upon clicking. That is a part of JavaScript, which we will see in the coming up weeks. For now, we have 4 colored buttons in HTML, stylized using CSS. Here we have Hello World, which is a plain heading. Suppose I want to change the color of Hello World as well. Go back to the home page. Here is the heading. I will add an ID. ID is equal to headings. Save. Go to the CSS file. Hashtag headings color equal to, let's say, brown. Save. Go back to the web browser. Refresh. And you will see the color of the heading has changed to brown. If you check the CSS code, you will notice that the class stylizing starts with a dot and the class name, whereas the ID stylizing starts with a hashtag and the ID name. So there are basically 3 ways of adding style: A, element; B, class; C, ID. Without any chronology, these are the 3 basic types of stylizing. We have checked out 2 of the forms of stylizing, that is the class and the ID, in this tutorial. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.